Your new Palm One handheld features a suite of applications to help you manage your personal information. These built-in programs are called Calendar, Contacts, Tasks, and Memos. These applications offer many new features, while maintaining compatibility with earlier handheld models. Together with the Outlook Conduits included on your installation CD-ROM, you can synchronize these applications with Microsoft Outlook on your desktop PC. In this video, you'll learn some of the basics of the applications, along with some tips to help you avoid common problems. Remember, you can pause and rewind this video by using your on-screen controls at any time. At the end of the video, we'll give you information on how to learn more about using your handheld and where to find help if you run into problems. Let's get started.
Use the Calendar application on your handheld to keep track of appointments, holidays, and other events. On previous Palm handhelds, this application was called Datebook. Let's take a look at some of the enhancements that have been made to Calendar. The new Agenda view gives you a quick look into current and upcoming appointments, tasks, and email messages. You can quickly jump to an appointment from the Agenda view just by tapping on it. You can also check off tasks as you complete them directly from the Agenda view. When you tap on an email from this view, you'll jump to VersaMail, where you can read the entire message. If you'd like to learn more about how to set up and use VersaMail, check out the user guide that came on the installation CD-ROM with your handheld. To change what information is displayed in Agenda view, tap on the Options menu and choose Display Options. For example, you can choose not to display email messages in Agenda view. This will free up more room to display appointments and tasks. Calendar now includes the ability to categorize your appointments and events. When you create an appointment, tap on Details and make a selection from the category pick list. You can also edit the category labels and colors from here. When an event has a category associated with it, you'll see the color-coded circle to the left. And here's a tip. To filter the day view by categories, tap on Display Options from the Options menu. Check Show Category List and tap OK. You'll now see the current time to the left of the display and a pick list containing all of your categories to the right. Just choose a category from the list to see your events. Some other enhancements provided in Calendar include the ability to create an event that spans midnight and the Year Calendar view. The Contacts application allows you to easily store names, addresses, and other pieces of information. On previous Palm handhelds, this application was called Address Book. Let's take a look at some of the enhancements that have been made to Contacts. With Contacts, you now have the ability to include multiple addresses for a single contact. To add a new address for a contact, just tap the blue plus symbol on the lower right side of your screen. Select address from the list, and a new set of address fields will appear on your screen. You can have up to 3 addresses per contact: work, home, and other. You can label your addresses using the pick list to the left. Keep in mind that when you beam an address to a Palm handheld that includes Address Book and not the new Contacts application, only the last address listed in Contacts is beamed. Some of the other enhancements to Contacts includes the addition of an instant messaging username field, a website address field, and a birthday field. Tasks is a convenient place to create reminders and prioritize the things that you need to do. On previous Palm handhelds, this application was called To-Do List. Let's take a look at some of the enhancements to Tasks. With Tasks, you can now view your items according to due date and category. You can also set an alarm for specific tasks. When you create a new item, tap on Details, then on Due Date. From here, you can set an alarm to remind you of the task. You can also choose to repeat the task on a regular basis if it is something that you frequently do. Memos provides you with a place to take notes. On previous Palm handhelds, this application was called Memo Pad. With Memos, you now have the ability to store notes as large as 32 kilobytes in size. The installation CD-ROM that came with your handheld includes new conduits for Microsoft Outlook. These conduits enable the synchronization between the updated applications on your handheld and Outlook. During the installation process of the Palm Setup Wizard, you'll be asked if you'd like to install the Outlook conduits. If you choose to hot-sync with Palm Desktop, you can easily install the Outlook conduits at a later time from your CD-ROM. Just make the selection from the content screen and follow the on-screen instructions. If you'd like to uninstall these conduits for any reason, simply run the installer from the CD-ROM again. The conduits can be controlled from the HotSync Manager. Just right-click on the HotSync icon in your system tray, choose Custom in your HotSync username, and from here you'll be able to select and control individual conduit settings. While here you can learn more about how to use these conduits by choosing Help, then Help Topics, then Conduits for Microsoft Outlook Help. An update for Outlook 2003 is available for download at the Palm One Customer Support website.
We hope you have found this video guide helpful. There are several resources available if you'd like to learn more about the built-in applications on your handheld, or if you've run into some problems and need some help. Be sure to check out the CD-ROM included with your handheld. It includes a handbook that provides detailed information about how to use the built-in applications. There are additional resources available to you online from the Palm One Customer Support website, like product documentation, software downloads, and other support options. To visit the Palm One Customer Support website online, port your web browser to www.palmone.com/us/support.